Arrive in style with this 2013 Ford Edge SEL. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include passenger illuminated visor mirror, front head airbag, telematics, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, privacy glass, CD player, leather steering wheel, rear head airbag, and variable speed intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.